A new wave is washing over our world. It is not made of water. It is made of data and code. This wave is artificial intelligence, or AI. It is growing faster than anything we have seen before. By 2030, the global AI market is expected to reach nearly $2 trillion. That is a massive number. It shows how much money is flowing into this technology. Companies and governments are investing billions. They believe AI is the future. This is not just a trend for big tech companies. It is a fundamental shift that will touch every part of our lives, from the jobs we do to the way we stay healthy and connect with each other. This change is coming quickly, and we must be ready for it. The numbers tell a stunning story of speed and scale. In early 2023, 100 million people started using a new AI tool in just 2 months. No other technology in history has grown that fast. For comparison, it took the telephone 75 years to reach that many users. It took the internet 7 years. AI is different. It is spreading like wildfire through our digital lives. This rapid adoption means that the changes AI brings will not be gradual. They will happen suddenly, transforming industries and societies in just a few short years. We are standing at the beginning of a new era, an age defined by intelligent machines working alongside us. This incredible growth is powered by huge investments. Venture capital funding for AI startups has exploded. In 2023 alone, AI companies raised over $50 billion. This money fuels innovation. It allows researchers to build more powerful models and engineers to create new products. This isn't just about chatbots or image generators. The investment is flowing into every sector. It is funding AI tools for discovering new medicines. It is creating intelligent systems to manage our power grids. It is building smart assistants to help teachers in the classroom. This flood of capital ensures that the AI wave will not slow down. Instead, it will grow stronger and reach further. The speed of this change can feel overwhelming. It is natural to wonder what it means for you, for your family, and for your community. Will my job be safe? Will AI make healthcare better and more accessible? How will it change my child's education? These are the right questions to ask. This essay is here to help answer them. We will look beyond the big numbers and the headlines. We will explore the real human impact of this technological revolution. The AI wave is here, but we are not helpless observers. We have the power to steer its course, to build a future where AI serves humanity. The journey to 2030 begins now, and understanding is the first step. To understand the future, we need to see it clearly. We need both the big picture and the small details. That is why this essay will use a simple approach: stats, then stories. First, we will start with the numbers. Statistics give us a map of the landscape. They show us the size and direction of the changes coming our way. Numbers can reveal patterns that are too big to see from the ground. But numbers alone are not enough. A statistic like AI will create 97 million new jobs feels abstract. It is hard to connect with. What do those jobs look like? Who will do them? That is where stories come in. After we look at the data, we will tell human stories. These stories will make the statistics real. This stats then stories method helps us see the complete picture. The data gives us the objective facts. The stories provide the human context. Together, they offer a balanced view. We can appreciate the enormous economic potential of AI while also understanding the personal challenges of adapting to it. We can celebrate the medical breakthroughs while also considering the fears of a patient worried about a machine making a mistake. Our journey will take us through the most important areas of life. We will start with work and the economy. Then, we will explore health, education, our daily routines. Finally, we will look at the big questions of power, governance, ethics. For each topic, we will present the key statistics first. Then, we will share stories that illustrate what those numbers mean for real people. By the end, you will have a clear and human-centered understanding of how AI will shape our world by 2030. You will be better equipped to navigate the changes ahead and help build a future that is not just smarter, but also wiser and more compassionate. The numbers surrounding AI and jobs can seem alarming. Some studies predict AI could automate tasks equivalent to 300 million full-time jobs by 2030. This is a staggering figure that naturally causes anxiety. It paints a picture of robots and algorithms taking over roles humans have done for decades. The tasks most susceptible to automation are repetitive and data-driven. But it's only one side of the story. Automation does not simply mean job destruction. It means job transformation. One World Economic Forum report, 85 million jobs displaced by 2025. 97 million new roles may emerge. Net gain, 12 million jobs. New jobs center on working with and managing AI systems. AI trainers, robotics engineers, digital marketers. They'll require human skills, creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence. The future of work is a partnership. AI handles routine. Humans handle complex, creative, compassionate work. Maria, a bookkeeper at a mid-sized accounting firm. For years, she manually entered invoices and reconciled accounts. Her company adopted an AI-powered accounting system. She was worried. The software could do her entire day's work in minutes. But the company didn't fire her. They invested in her. They trained her to be an AI process supervisor. Now Maria oversees the AI, troubleshooting and ensuring accuracy. She uses time freed by automation to work directly with clients. She helps clients understand financial data, identify trends, and make better decisions. Her job shifted from data entry to insight and human connection. Maria's story is not isolated. The transition won't be seamless and requires proactive effort from employers and employees. It shows dire mass unemployment predictions overlook human adaptability. The challenge: build a bridge for workers from jobs of yesterday to jobs of tomorrow. The most critical challenge we face is not a shortage of jobs, but a shortage of skills. The rapid evolution of AI means that the skills in demand today may not be the ones needed tomorrow. The half-life of a technical skill is shrinking. In the AI age, education and work will be deeply intertwined. AI-powered educational platforms are emerging to provide personalized and adaptive learning experiences, creating a custom learning path just for you. Consider the story of a retail manager named Sarah. She felt unprepared for her changing role. She used an AI-powered learning platform provided by her employer. She could complete these modules during quiet moments at work or at home. In a few months, Sarah was confidently using the new tools to improve her store's performance. She built a bridge to her own future. Governments and educational institutions have a crucial role to play. We need to reform our education systems to focus less on memorization and more on the skills that AI cannot replicate. Critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, communication. We need to create more flexible and affordable pathways for adult learners. Building this bridge is a collective responsibility. It is the most important investment we can make in our economic future and the well-being of our citizens. The world of healthcare is on the verge of a profound transformation. Today, AI is already proving to be incredibly effective in diagnostics, sometimes spotting subtle patterns that even a trained human radiologist might miss. Consider Anand, a man living in a remote village. He was worried about a persistent cough. His local clinic was equipped with a basic AI-powered diagnostic tool. The AI flagged a small, suspicious nodule in his lung, recommending an urgent follow-up. Because of this early warning, Anand was able to travel to the city for treatment at a very early stage of his illness. The AI did not replace the doctor, but it acted as a powerful assistant. By 2030, we will see more medicines tailored to an individual's specific genetic makeup. This new reality will feel like having an AI doctor in your pocket. Imagine wearable sensors that continuously monitor your vital signs. This assistant could alert you to potential health issues before you even feel symptoms. It might advise you, your sleep patterns and heart rate variability suggest you are under high stress. Try a 10-minute meditation session. Education is another domain where AI is poised to make a monumental impact. For centuries, the classroom model has been one-to-many, making it difficult to cater to individual learning speeds. Let's meet Sophia, a 10-year-old girl who struggles with math. Her school has implemented an AI-powered learning platform. It presents her with problems tailored to her level. If she gets stuck, an AI tutor offers step-by-step hints and visual explanations. It celebrates her progress and patiently waits for her to grasp a concept before moving on. For the first time, Sophia feels confident in her math abilities. AI is not here to replace teachers, but to give them superpowers. A teacher, like Mr. Chen, can use this information to create more effective lesson plans, freeing him up to focus on the most human part of his job: teaching, mentoring, and inspiring. Furthermore, AI will break down barriers to knowledge. AI-powered translation tools will make educational content from anywhere in the world accessible in any language. While the benefits of AI are immense, we must also confront the serious risks. AI systems learn from data, and if the data is biased, their decisions will be biased too. The second major concern is privacy. Finally, there is the critical issue of access and equity. To harness the good of AI while mitigating these risks, we need to act deliberately. We must demand transparency, pass strong data privacy laws, and make a collective commitment to equity. The power of AI is a double-edged sword. It is our shared responsibility to ensure it is wielded with wisdom, fairness, and a deep respect for human dignity. The race for AI dominance has become a central feature of 21st century geopolitics. This has triggered a new kind of arms race, one fought not with missiles, but with algorithms, data, and talent. This national competition is vividly illustrated by the strategic rivalry between the United States and China. This chilling effect on global talent mobility and scientific cooperation slows down overall progress. One of the most significant ethical challenges is the use of AI for mass surveillance. A more terrifying use is warfare, lethal autonomous weapon systems, or killer robots. These weapons can independently search for, identify, and kill human targets without direct human control. Critics warn machines making life or death battlefield decisions is a terrifying future. They argue meaningful human control must remain over the use of force. In the face of these challenges, the world is beginning to forge the rules for the AI age. The European Union has taken a leading role with its AI Act, a comprehensive piece of legislation that categorizes AI applications by risk level. Let us look at how this might work. Kenji's team is developing a new AI tool. Under a new governance framework, they must conduct a thorough impact assessment, create detailed documentation, and have it reviewed by an independent auditor. Creating these rules requires a new kind of collaboration. The most effective governance models will involve a multi-stakeholder approach, bringing together diverse groups to develop standards. Ultimately, the goal of AI governance is not to stop progress. It is to steer it in a direction that aligns with fundamental human values. We need to build a global consensus around core principles. We have journeyed through the landscape of the coming AI revolution. We have seen the incredible speed and scale of this change, a wave of innovation set to redefine our world by 2030. We have seen how AI will rebalance our economies, transform our jobs, and demand lifelong learning. We have explored the deeply personal impact on our health and education. This vision of a healthier, smarter, and more convenient life is within our grasp. However, we have also faced the hard truths. The path to 2030 is not without its shadows. The same technology that can heal and teach can also be used to amplify bias, erode privacy, and deepen inequality. Our exploration has shown that the future is not a fixed destination we are hurtling towards. It is a path we are actively creating with every choice we make today. Therefore, this conclusion is not an ending. It is a call to action. As citizens, our first responsibility is to remain curious and informed. Engage in public conversations. Your voice matters. For leaders in business, invest in people. For our policymakers, govern wisely. Build a new social contract for the AI age, strengthening our safety nets and ensuring the wealth created benefits all. The story of AI is ultimately the story of humanity. We are the creators. We decide its purpose. We have the power to shape it to serve our highest ideals, to cure disease, to educate the world, to fight climate change, to unlock new frontiers of creativity. The path to 2030 will be challenging, but it is filled with incredible promise. Let us choose to be architects of our future, not passive observers. Let us work together to ensure that this new dawn of intelligence becomes a new dawn of wisdom, compassion, and progress for all. Let us build an AI future that we can all be proud of.